Finish the SketchUp design, notches, roofs, whatever. Put it all together, sand it, oil it, install it, backing with some fabric on it. Today, I'm probably dreaming 2 copies in. I'm keen. Let's go. Print list, cut it out. Cut list printed out, that too. I've got a sheet of 12mm birch plywood here that has an incredible amount of tension in it, a huge warp. I can't really do anything much with it. I could obviously bring it back and exchange it, but the shelf I'm deciding has only 200mm wide strips, so it will be plenty good for that. Would you look at that? I actually picked this up for a cabinet I'm making for a client of mine, but look at this tension in there. There's no way I'm going to use this. Whatever. Piece of shit. We're ready to cut our strips. Let's get into it. Okay, there we have it. All the pieces are cut. All in all, went well. Let's just try to make sense of this all. Alrighty. And now the real fun stuff, sanding. And then we put that thing together. Next, put a rebate along the back wall, every compartment, individual panel, line it with fabric. Prior to doing that, I will take a little marking gauge and just run it around the perimeter of each compartment, just to rip the top fiber to make sure I don't get any tear out once routing. Let's do it. Look at that beauty. Ancient. Okay, we cut the recess out. That will generously accommodate our backing panel. The rebate bit left round corners, so we're just quickly gonna go along, and I just got a corner chisel, which is usually used for hinges, so it's not quite big enough, but it will get me closer. Sorry buddy, if you don't like that, you shouldn't have become a corner chisel. Okay, so I measured all the individual back panels, got my cutting list, and I'm just going to start ripping some 4mm MDF, dry fit them, and once I'm happy with it, apply oil, and while that is drying, I'm going to attach some fabric to all the pre-cut panels, and after that, we'll be all coming together. Alright, we're finally ready for oil, and while this is drying, I'm going to start on the back panels. A lot of these compartments will be used to hold lamps I'm making, and I don't want to have all the cords seen. One of these compartments is going to have a door, just hide a bunch of adapters and wiring, things no one wants to look at. I've got this old skirt here. It's not my size, I might use it for the cabinet. It has got these stripes, for that reason I marked the orientation on the backing boards. So I'll have the stripes on this one running horizontally, the next one vertical, and so on.